Welcome to the verdict new OPPO A77s, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display option on this device. So first we should open the Play Store app because unfortunately we have not installed by default the AD option. That's why we should get the Muviz Edge application from the Play Store. So now we should get this application. That's why tap to install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then tap to open the app, click draw our apps, and find here Muviz Edge applications which not allowed to allow. Go back, tap to AD option. Here click to one from the available tabs, tap to apply, and now just let's lock the device. So we can see that the always on display option successfully activated. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.